On today's video, it's all about Colonel Sanders and the chicken that your mama was never able to cook. Right? Is that the way?
Roll the intro.
What is up, my keto friends? And you know exactly who you are because I called you by name. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another video here on this channel. If you're new here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, start now by clicking the red subscribe button and then move a little bit over with the mouse and click that little bell so you don't miss any notifications or updates on this channel. You know what I'm saying? And as we just showed you, Colonel Sanders is in the house. But my wife is wearing a shirt that says leg day.
It's actually
And I thought we
day.
were cooking thighs.
Hey, we are. It's thigh day.
Fried chicken on keto.
This is my gym shirt when we go to the gym, which we haven't been able to in like a month.
Right, because of the COVID.
Because of the unmentionable virus.
Yeah. I hope we don't get banned because of that.
Ooh. Anyway,
this
I'll wear
is
this on
mouse
leg day.
rat. I wear this when I'm eating
Rats.
rats and mice, but I digress. Fried chicken. Who knew you could have that on keto? I didn't. I thought all I could have was baked grilled chicken.
Oh, God, yeah.
Right?
I remember those days.
I thought that's all I could have.
We did a whole lot of that.
But Susan figured out a way to cook chicken in an air fryer, mind you.
Breaded.
She found out how to bread it and how to fry it. Now listen, you can, okay, fried chicken is usually dumped in the grease. The whole kitchen's like
Messy.
smoking. It smells delicious, okay? I'm not going to lie to
I
you.
don't think it does. I think it smells like
Well, it
feet.
tastes delicious. I don't know what you're talking about.
It tastes delicious,
But
but it's
anyway,
not good.
you need to invest in an air fryer. It's one of the best things that we've ever bought because it cooks the chicken perfect. Actually, anything.
Yeah.
You can fry anything in this thing.
Oh, we do jalapeno poppers in
Oh,
it, chicken
please.
wings.
Have we done that? We got to do a video on that.
Yeah.
Have we done that?
Not on video.
Oh, we have to. Jalapeno
Yeah,
poppers.
we
That's
have
coming up
to.
next for the air fryer. Anyway, I had no idea, but she found out a way to bread it
With pork skins.
and fry it in an air fryer for just like 20 minutes, and it comes out crunchy deliciousness, which she's going to show you how to do it. Is there anything else you need to talk about Colonel Sanders?
No,
about
let's
this
get
chicken?
to cooking. Okay, and for the ingredients for the chicken, the fried chicken, we're going to use about 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. We use about 1.5 cups of chopped up pork skins, 2 eggs to do the dredging. We use salt, dill, onion powder, garlic powder, and chives to mix in. We don't have 11 herbs and spices. We just have 5.
Here we go.
This just came out of the air fryer. Colonel Sanders got nothing on this. we're about to taste this. So as you can see, Colonel Sanders got nothing on this crunchy goodness right here. Just pulled out of the air fryers you just saw.
We'll let it cool for a few minutes.
Put
Because
it on a
Byron don't
nice
like
little
lava,
plate.
he says.
Yeah, I don't like lava. But we're going to go ahead and try that. You going to get one?
Yeah.
We'll dink it and sink it. Dink! What?
Oh, listen, wait. You
Y'all hear that?
Who knew that pork skins could make
dude.
chicken be so awesome?
If you're missing out on fried chicken with keto, you don't have to. I love fried chicken. Grew up on fried chicken. However, I didn't know until I started keto that there's some very bad things eating fried chicken. The way you cook fried chicken traditionally,
All the grease.
there's very bad things that it can do to your body that you have no clue about unless you're educated. But
All the oil that you cook it in and...
as you can tell, I ain't missing a thing, as Aerosmith said. Or as I don't want to miss a thing.
Yeah,
I don't,
you don't.
but I didn't.
I don't.
And I'm not.
I'm not. It's really good.
Good. This finger looking good.
And the other batch is still cooking.
Yeah, we put
just
the other-
wanted
yeah.
to go ahead and do this.
Right. So, wow. Please, if you cook this recipe, I can't talk. You finish it.
I got mouth too.
Hold it. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave your comments. We appreciate all the comments and the feedback we've been getting so far. All the likes, the views. We appreciate it.
It really means a lot to us when you guys let us know that you're actually making the food that we talk about and that you're actually interacting. It really means a lot because we know that, what we're doing is not a waste of time.
Yeah, and somebody mentioned somebody way back about the honey in the bread that we didn't know. So appreciate some people chiming in, letting us know, hey, you don't have to use the honey, you can use this. Very good tips. So if anybody's got tips, hey, we're not perfect. We're just trying to live a simple keto lifestyle. And we need all the help we can get as well. So
Absolutely.
we're just here to share the journey with you. So please share with your friends about this, yummy, delicious lifestyle that we're on a journey with. So until next time, remember, keep it Colonel Sanders. Keto.
Please help.
That's the way you do it. Thanks, Colonel.